What we need to do is breathe and not let them control how you do. To practice. Weekly frequencies, all inside of me, stirring up the pot like what you got. Collective energies, can you ride with me? We are all connected, there is nothing to divide us. See, the universe is putting all this stuff on our plates so we can transform through that which is not true, rising as one as we elevate through the hate. The ones in power, they don't want us knowing that this life we call a life's just really all a show, that the true secret to fulfillment lies inside. We are all creators who can manifest our own lives. This is not a lie. Look into the mirror, gaze upon your own eyes. Do you feel the despise? They did this to you. They took apart your brain and they served it in a winter stew. It's how they profit off of you. But you ain't gotta eat it. Oh yes, you should believe it. Look into that meal, repeat it, say that I'm the shit and I've always had all I needed. Don't need to watch the news and become the tragedy. Son, I am the recipe. Christ consciousness, I call upon you to impregnate me. They want to bring us down. Divided society is what gives them their precious crown. So help me raise my sisters. Help us take our medicine. Spoon feed it to all the snakes and help the world to shed its skin.